Hello, world. Welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion, designing your personal oasis for living by abundance. In today's fast-paced world, carving out a space that truly feels like your own is more than a luxury. It's a necessity. A personal oasis is not just about creating a physical area. It's about fostering a sanctuary that nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Whether it's a cozy corner in your living room or a tranquil spot by a window, your personal oasis serves as a retreat from the daily hustle, a space where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Designing a personal oasis isn't just about aesthetics. It's about intentionality. It's about choosing elements that resonate with you, inspire calm, and support your well-being. From incorporating natural elements to creating a tech-free zone, every detail plays a role in transforming your space into a haven of peace and abundance. Ready to start your journey? Let's explore the steps to creating a personal oasis that's as unique and comforting as you are.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
1. Choose your space wisely. Selecting the perfect location for your personal oasis is crucial. It should be a place within your home that naturally calms and rejuvenates you. This might be a cozy corner with ample natural light, a quiet room away from household traffic, or a part of your garden. The key is to find a space that is physically and emotionally removed from the usual stressors of daily life. By choosing a spot that is inherently peaceful, you create a foundation for a true sanctuary that encourages relaxation and introspection. 2. Define the space's purpose. Clearly defining the purpose of your personal space is essential. Decide whether this space will serve as a retreat for meditation, a quiet place for reading, or a dedicated area for yoga and stretching. Understanding and defining the purpose will guide your decisions regarding the setup, furnishings, and the overall vibe of the space. This clarity ensures that the space truly meets your needs and becomes a dedicated area for your mental and physical well-being. 3. Incorporate comfort. Comfort is a non-negotiable aspect of creating your personal oasis. Select furniture and accessories that enhance comfort and relaxation, such as a plush armchair, a soft throw blanket, or a comfortable hammock. These pieces should invite you to linger and enjoy the space. The more inviting and comfortable the space, the more likely you are to use it regularly as a place to unwind and recharge. 4. Opt for calming colors. The color scheme of your personal oasis has a profound impact on your mood and stress levels. Choose calming colors like soft blues, serene greens, or warm earth tones that help soothe the mind and relax the body. These colors can transform the ambiance of the space, making it ideal for relaxation and tranquility. The right palette can turn any corner into a calming retreat that helps mitigate the stresses of everyday life. 5. Bring in natural elements. Integrating elements from nature into your personal space not only enhances its beauty but also contributes to your well-being. Plants like ferns and peace lilies not only purify the air but also add a vibrant touch of green, which is soothing to the eyes and calming for the mind. Incorporating materials like bamboo, stone, or untreated wood in your furniture or decorations can also help connect your indoor environment with the natural world outside. These elements bring a sense of peace and grounding to your space, making it an ideal place for relaxation and rejuvenation. 6. Personalize the decor. To make your personal oasis truly your own, fill it with items that hold special meaning or bring back fond memories. This could include photographs from memorable travels, artwork that inspires you, or collectibles that tell a story of your past adventures. By surrounding yourself with items that resonate personally, you enhance the emotional connection to your space, which can be uplifting and comforting. This personalization makes your oasis not just a physical space, but a deeply personal retreat that reflects your life's journey and aspirations. 7. Focus on lighting. Effective lighting transforms the ambiance of your personal oasis. During the day, allow as much natural light as possible to fill the space, as it can improve mood and increase energy. For the evenings or in naturally dark spaces, opt for soft, ambient lighting that mimics the gentle glow of sunlight, providing a warm and cozy atmosphere. Consider using adjustable lighting options like dimmer switches to change the intensity based on the time of day or the activity you are engaged in. 8. Keep it organized. A clutter-free environment is essential for maintaining a peaceful oasis. Utilize smart storage solutions that minimize clutter while keeping essentials handy. Decorative baskets, chic storage boxes, and cleverly designed furniture can help you maintain order without sacrificing style. An organized space not only looks appealing, but also promotes a feeling of calm and control, which is essential for relaxation and stress reduction. 9. Sound matters. The auditory environment of your personal oasis is a critical component of its overall tranquility. Sounds can soothe the mind, reduce stress, and help drown out external distractions, making your space feel more peaceful and intimate. Consider adding a small water feature, such as a tabletop fountain, to create a calming background murmur reminiscent of nature. Alternatively, curate a playlist of ambient music or nature sounds such as rain, waves, or forest sounds to enhance relaxation. For those who prefer silence, soundproofing materials or white noise machines can create an insulated auditory space that shields you from the noise of the outside world, allowing you to fully unwind. 10. Invest in quality. Investing in high-quality furnishings and decor for your personal oasis elevates both its functionality and aesthetic appeal. Durable, well-crafted pieces not only last longer, but also provide a sense of refinement and luxury, making the space feel like a retreat. Choose materials and designs that align with your personal style while prioritizing comfort and usability. Quality items, such as a plush chair or premium lighting, enhance your experience and ensure that every moment spent in your oasis is enjoyable and fulfilling. Over time, these investments pay off as they continue to bring joy and practicality to your sanctuary. 11th, ergonomics are important. If your personal oasis serves dual purposes, such as a workspace and relaxation area, ergonomics are non-negotiable. A supportive chair and an adjustable desk can prevent back and neck strain during prolonged use. Ensure that your computer screen is positioned at eye level and your feet rest flat on the ground to maintain proper posture. An ergonomically optimized space reduces physical discomfort, allowing you to focus more effectively on your activities, whether that's working or simply unwinding. This thoughtful approach to design not only enhances comfort, but also promotes overall well-being and productivity. 12th, incorporate inspiring artwork. Art has a unique ability to shape the mood and energy of a space. Select pieces that inspire positivity and align with the purpose of your personal oasis. For a calming effect, consider serene landscapes or abstract art with soothing colors. If you seek energy and vibrancy, Opt for bold, dynamic pieces with bright hues. The artwork should resonate with your personal tastes and enhance the atmosphere of your space, making it a place where you feel inspired and rejuvenated every time you enter. 13. Create a sensory experience. Engaging all your senses transforms your personal space into an immersive sanctuary. Soft textures such as plush rugs, throw blankets, or velvet cushions provide a tactile element of comfort. Add soothing scents using essential oil diffusers, scented candles, or incense to create an inviting aroma. Incorporate visual elements like calming artwork and gentle lighting, along with auditory features such as ambient music or a water fountain. By catering to multiple senses, you create a layered, enriching experience that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. 14th, flexible design. A flexible design ensures that your personal oasis remains adaptable to your changing needs and preferences. Choose modular or multifunctional furniture, such as a sofa bed or stackable chairs, that can be easily rearranged to accommodate different activities. This versatility allows your space to transform seamlessly from a quiet reading nook to a yoga retreat or a workspace. Flexible designs ensure that your oasis evolves with you, maintaining its relevance and usability over time. 15. Privacy is key. Privacy is essential for making your personal oasis a true retreat. Use curtains, room dividers, or strategically placed furniture to create a barrier from the rest of your home. This physical separation enhances the feeling of seclusion, allowing you to focus on relaxation without distractions. Establishing a private space reinforces the idea of a personal sanctuary, where you can recharge and reconnect with yourself away from the demands of daily life. 16. Access to nature. Connecting your personal oasis with nature amplifies its calming and restorative qualities. Position your space near a window with views of greenery or the sky to benefit from natural light and scenic vistas. If a window isn't available, incorporate indoor plants like peace lilies or succulents, which improve air quality and bring life to the space. These natural elements create a sense of harmony and balance, fostering a deep connection with the outdoors even when you're inside. 17. Temperature control. Comfortable temperature settings are vital for making your personal oasis a space you'll want to spend time in year-round. Use fans, heaters, or air conditioning to maintain a climate that suits your preferences, regardless of the season. Proper insulation or weatherproofing can also help stabilize temperatures, ensuring that your oasis remains cozy and inviting. Temperature control is a simple but essential detail that can make a significant difference in your ability to relax and enjoy the space. 18th, tech-free zone. Establishing your personal oasis as a tech-free zone helps to create a clear boundary between the distractions of the digital world and the tranquility of your retreat. Avoid bringing laptops, phones, or televisions into this space, or set specific rules for technology use, such as limited screen time. By reducing digital noise, you encourage mindfulness and presence, making it easier to focus on activities that nurture your well-being, such as meditation, reading, or simply resting. 19. Luxurious touches. Adding luxurious touches to your personal oasis elevates it from a functional space to an indulgent retreat. High-quality linens, elegant decor pieces, or a premium sound system can make the space feel truly special. Consider small but impactful upgrades, like a cashmere throw, a designer lamp, or a high-end coffee machine that enhance your comfort and enjoyment. These luxurious details transform your oasis into a space where every moment feels like a treat. 20. Reflect and evolve. Your personal oasis should be a dynamic space that grows and changes with you. Regularly assess how well the space meets your current needs and make adjustments to keep it aligned with your lifestyle. Whether it's updating the decor, introducing new functionality, or reconfiguring the layout, continuous evolution ensures that your oasis remains a relevant and cherished part of your home. This adaptability allows your sanctuary to support your personal growth and journey toward abundance, ensuring it always feels fresh and meaningful. Creating a personal oasis is about more than just designing a beautiful space. It's about crafting a sanctuary that nourishes your soul and aligns with your goals. By carefully selecting your space, personalizing it with meaningful touches, and incorporating elements that promote comfort and mindfulness, you transform an ordinary corner of your home into an extraordinary retreat. This oasis becomes a reflection of your values, a space where you can recharge, refocus, and reconnect with yourself. Remember, your personal space is not static. It should evolve with you. Regularly assess how it serves your current needs and adjust it as necessary. Whether you're adding new decor, rearranging furniture, or simply changing the purpose of the space, these updates ensure that your oasis continues to support your journey toward balance, growth, and abundance. Most importantly, your personal oasis is an intentional act of self-care. In our busy, often overwhelming lives, carving out a space that prioritizes your peace and well-being is a powerful reminder of your commitment to living abundantly. So take the time to create your sanctuary and let it become the foundation for a more mindful, inspired, and fulfilling life. Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for Living by Abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance. Abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics, and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. A powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. A 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset. 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you. 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. Boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your ultimate bundle and upgrade your journey to living by abundance today.
Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance. You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com. See you soon and keep living by abundance.